There are a few concepts we need to understand before getting deep into life cycles. First, we need to discuss about process. A process is a series of actions leading to a result. In a project, we divide the processes into two types. 1. Project management processes. For example, description and organization of project work. 2. Product-oriented processes. It is the actual work required to complete the deliverable. The second concept we will discuss is a project phase. A project phase is a collection of logically related activities, usually culminating in completion or approval of a major deliverable of the project. Usually, projects are multi-phased with no defined number of phases. Phases are used when nature of work in phase is unique to a portion of a project and linked to the development of a specific major deliverable. Each phase will have all or most of the project management processes. Number of phases are determined by organizational need, nature of project, and application area. Phases are time-bound with a start and ending point. Phases are mostly sequential, but they can overlap too. Phases help in better management, planning, and control of the project. Need for multi-phases projects, number of phases, and the degree of control is dependent on size, complexity, and nature of the project. The next concept is phase kill point or exit gate. A kill point or an exit gate is an evaluation of deliverables of a project phase to determine whether to continue. It is like making a decision that the project is still viable. With these concepts in mind, we will move towards project life cycle. A project life cycle is a collection of all the phases of the project. Project life cycle has sequential or overlapping phases. Project life cycle comprises of the activities you need to perform to complete the project work. Just like a project, all phases of project have a definite ending and beginning. There are three types of project life cycle. Predictive life cycle. It is also called full plan driven. Preferred when the product is well defined with adequate knowledge base and availability of past data for the industry. Iterative and incremental life cycle. A high-level vision of the project is developed but detailed scope is elaborated later on as the work progresses. It is preferred when management of changing objectives and scope is required. Reduction in complexity of project is required. It is usually used in IT industry. Adaptive life cycle, also called change-driven or agile methods, very similar to iterative and incremental, but iterations are very rapid. Compared to predictive life cycles, stakeholder influence is high, cost of change is low. It is preferred when dealing with rapidly changing environment. Now, when you have understood the project life cycle, it is a good time to understand project management life cycle. It is a logical requirement of management of project. Project management life cycle includes initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing.